Hey guys, what's going on? So this is equations with two variables, video number two. So in something like this, we're gonna solve for x minus y. So we'll have something like 5 plus x equals 10 plus y, let's say. Okay, 5 plus x equals 10 plus y. Solve for x minus y. So when you first look at something like this, it's not really all that obvious what you're supposed to do. But it's actually pretty easy. So let's show you. Okay, so at first get x by itself. Okay, so subtract 5 from both sides. Okay, so now we have x by itself. Yeah, and right, 5 minus 5 cancels itself out. X equals 10 minus 5 is 5 plus y. Okay, and so from here, right, all we're going to do is subtract y from both sides. And now we have that x minus y over on the left side, don't we? X minus y. Those y's on the right side are going to cancel out. We're going to have x minus y equals 5. There's our answer, huh? Not too tough, right? So the key there was that I got x by itself on the left side, and it equals, some number plus y, and then you can subtract y. And it's that easy. Okay, now, what if instead of they wanted us to solve for x minus y, what if it was x divided by y? Okay, give me my marker back. Okay, so what if it's x divided by y? Okay, so we really start off doing the same thing. Subtract 5, subtract 5, x equals 5 plus y, just where we just were a second ago, right? So when we did minus y, we just subtracted y from both sides, and then we were done, yeah? Okay, so on this one, we're just going to divide each side by y. Right? Not exactly rocket science, right? But it can look confusing if you haven't seen problems like this before, right? And so then we have our x divided by y. I'm just rewriting the same thing. I don't know why I did that. So we have x divided by y equals 5 plus y divided by y. And that's your final answer.